AJ here from the FOOD-DEE YouTube channel. Today I'm cooking up a recipe inspired by the Outdoor Boys, their camp-style pan-fried bread with honey butter. I'm going to be frying this up over a campfire and trying it out. The Outdoor Boys are a family of adventure lovers led by Luke. They're known for their epic outdoor experiences from survival camping and fishing in Alaska to bushcraft and building log cabins from scratch. That's pretty cool. It kind of brings me back to my childhood in Newfoundland. They also cook up some amazing meals along the way. It's one of those channels I love watching at night, just sitting on the couch, watching him do his thing. It's an amazing channel. I highly recommend you check them out. Now, their Ziploc pan-fried bread reminds me of a classic dish back in Newfoundland called Toutons. And it's Toutons, not Teutons. If you read it, it looks like Teutons. You see people saying Teutons. It's called Toutons. But let's move on. Now, what we would do is take leftover homemade bread dough, usually when we were camping, and then fry it up on a pan with some butter and oil, and then drizzle it with molasses or maple syrup. It's one of those dishes we cook up for breakfast, brings back fond memories, and I love it. So the Outdoor Boys keep it simple. Luke mixes his dough right in the Ziploc bag, so that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna measure this out. You don't have to. This is meant to be one of those make it as you go kind of things. You don't have to stress about numbers, but just for recipe sakes, we're gonna use a 400 grams or about 3¼ cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1 teaspoon of yeast. Now, you don't have to be exact like I said. This is for camping, being out, having fun. A rough measure works just fine. Now I'm going to add enough water and mix it just to bring it together to form a dough. Once that's done, close the bag and set it aside until it rises and doubles in size. So that's enough time so we can make our honey butter. I'm taking ½ a cup of softened butter and adding a ¼ cup of honey and a pinch of salt. You can mix this by hand or you can use a food presser, whatever works for you. You just want to make sure you're using soft butter, not hard butter that's straight out of the fridge. And if you're feeling adventurous, you could add some chopped herbs or even a touch of chili pepper to give it a little bit of heat. And that's it, honey butter is ready to go. Now that our dough is risen, it's time to get cooking. I've got a campfire going here, but you can use an outdoor stove or you can even cook this inside. I like to do this outside because it gives you that outdoor experience. And I'm pretty sure cooking your food over fire makes it taste that much better. Heat up some oil in your pan, then tear off a piece of dough and flatten it slightly, and then lay it into the pan. Cook it until each side is golden brown and puffed up. This should take a couple minutes per side. Once it's cooked through, plate it up and spread the honey butter over the hot bread. Now, if you've got a sweet tooth, go ahead and drizzle a little extra honey on top. I think I'm going to do that. It's crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and the honey butter just melts right into it. This is an awesome bread to cook while you're camping. It's warm, it's comforting, and it's just so delicious. Let me know in the comments below if you tried this recipe or if you tried Newfoundland Toutons. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, a subscribe down below, and until next time, FOOD-DEE out.